Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It. Check this out. The oil pressure sensor is reading wrong. It's reading at 100, which I know is wrong. Sometimes it reads at 0. Let's see if it does it this time. So it either reads 0 or 100. So we're gonna change the oil pressure sensor and fix that. All right guys, pop the hood. And I wanna show you where the sensor is. See this housing right here? The sensor is right there. See that connection? So in order to get to it, you need to remove all these covers and this intake, okay? Disconnect the sensor. You're just gonna press on the bottom here. It's like a little tab and just pull out. See, this is the tab. Next, remove the 3 screws holding this box. So it's one there, one here, one here. And these are T25s. They look like that, like a little star. Next, pull out this hose. Use an 8mm to loosen up this clamp. Now you could take off the intake. Let's pull it from here first. This whole thing should come out. Okay, I disconnected the sensor, and this sensor is going to be sitting just like that with this tab on the bottom. So you need to reach under there, pull the tab, and then pull the sensor out. Now, this sensor, you need to have like straight access to it, but you have this hard line in the way, so you need to remove it right here. I think that's an 18mm, so use an open wrench. Okay, I'm gonna move this reservoir just to give me more room. There's a 10mm down here that you take off. Don't lose it. All right. There's an 18 on this side. Lose this. It's a big bolt. All right. Now this could come out of the way a little bit. You better access here. I'm using an 18mm crow's foot to loosen up this line. It's a little hard to get a wrench in there, but all right. Now that I broke it loose with the crow's foot, I'm using a regular open wrench. You probably don't need to use the crow's foot, but I didn't want to do damage to this fitting. So just to break it loose, I just used the crow's foot. I think this is probably able to do it by hand. Yep. Okay, this might leak a little bit of fluid here. Let me get something so in case fluid comes out. All right, this thing uses a special socket. And when you look at it, see it's kind of like, it's not like a regular socket. Okay, now we got a straight shot at the sensor. So, this might leak a little oil. Yep, that fell. All right, guys, this is the old sensor. This is the new sensor. That's the part number. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Make sure this matches. Okay, this is the new one. Comes with an O-ring. And it looks the same, okay? Even the connection, make sure it's the same. All right, guys, this thing is aluminum, so be careful. That's also an aluminum housing right there. So I'm going to try to start threading it by hand, and then I could tying it up because I don't want to cross thread it or anything, okay? Okay, I got that started by hand. We just got to snug it up. That's it, guys. Just snug it. Don't go crazy. All right, guys. We got everything in there. Got the sensor connected. We also put the reservoir back on. This was a bitch to do. This the power steering line right there. You have to get it like perfectly straight. To do so, we actually disconnected it from down here to get the line to move better, and we finally got it in. Okay. Next, we just got to put in the intake, and that's it. All right, the lines are in the way. Get these tabs under.
And the hardest part, guys, is putting the airbox back on.
No, that wasn't the hardest part. Just gotta get it. There you go. That's it. You just gotta screw this down. This hose gets put in here. What happened? We gotta put
the breather in the back.
Yeah, we just gotta put it back on. Where's the connection for this? All right, got it. All right, well, plug in your mass effort. Plug this in. What happened to this?
Like a little round circle thing coming out of the valve cover.
Oh, I see it. I gotta connect that back down. Just gotta tighten that up and put the screws. All right, guys, the intake is on. Make sure everything's connected and everything's tight. We just gotta put the covers on. Let's see if this thing actually worked. There you go. It's back to normal, okay? That's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.